walks alone down the neon street, whispers of yesterday beneath her feet. The wind, it hums a bittersweet tune, a melody of goodbye under the moon. Her laughter rings like a broken bell, echoes of a love she used to dwell. But the past can't hold her, she's moving on, chasing the dawn before it's gone. Oh, she's dancing through the rain, letting go of all the pain. Every step a brand new start, with a wild and fearless heart. Oh, she's dancing through the rain, no more shadows, no more chains. The world's a stage, the night's her song, and she's been waiting for so long. The stars, they blink and fade away, but she's not lost, she's found a way. A silhouette against the sky, learning how to live, learning how to fly. She paints her dreams in colors bold, no more secrets left untold. The rhythm of her soul is free, a symphony of what's meant to be. Oh, she's dancing through the rain, letting go of all the pain. Every step a brand new start, with a wild and fearless heart. Oh, she's dancing through the rain, no more shadows, no more chains. The world's a stage, the night's her song, and she's been waiting for so long.